Join me on a thrilling journey through the vast expanse of the internet as I unveil the absolute best gadgets and devices that'll redefine your tech game. The Brother DS940W scanner is a must-have for busy professionals. Its wireless capabilities and compact design make it perfect for scanning documents anytime, anywhere. Experience the convenience of mobile scanning with the Brother DS940W. Whether you're in the office, at a client meeting, or on the road, it ensures seamless document digitization. Say goodbye to bulky scanners and hello to efficiency with the Brother DS940W. Its advanced features, including duplex scanning and cloud integration, streamline your workflow. Stay ahead of the curve with the Brother DS940W wireless mobile document scanner. It's not just a scanner. It's your productivity companion wherever you go. Upgrade your scanning experience with Brother today. The Ionic exclusive Kaiser Drop Bear pocket knife is a true masterpiece. Its striking red micarta handle and stonewashed finish exude style and sophistication. Experience precision and reliability with the Ionic exclusive Kaiser Drop Bear. Whether you're camping, hiking, or simply appreciating fine craftsmanship, it's your perfect companion. Say goodbye to ordinary pocket knives and hello to the Ionic exclusive Kaiser Drop Bear. Its exceptional design and quality construction make it a standout choice for knife enthusiasts. Elevate your everyday carry with the Ionic exclusive Kaiser Drop Bear pocket knife. It's not just a knife, it's a symbol of style and craftsmanship. Get yours today. The Asento Guard is a revolution in security technology. With its advanced AI capabilities, it patrols outdoor areas with precision and agility, ensuring maximum protection. Experience unparalleled security with the Asento Guard. Its autonomous navigation system allows it to navigate rugged terrain effortlessly, keeping your property safe around the clock. Say goodbye to traditional security measures and hello to the future with the Asento Guard. Its state-of-the-art sensors and intelligent algorithms make it a formidable guardian of your premises. Enhance your security strategy with the Asento Guard AI Security Robot. It's not just a robot. It's your trusted ally in safeguarding what matters most. Invest in peace of mind with Asento Guard today. With 200 precision bits and an electric screwdriver, this set is a repair enthusiast's dream. From smartphones to laptops, it has everything you need to tackle any repair job. Experience efficiency and convenience with the electric screwdriver and magnetizer. Its powerful motor and magnetic tip ensure seamless repairs, saving you time and effort. Say goodbye to frustration and hello to precision with the 201 precision screwdriver bit set. Its compact design and comprehensive selection make it a must-have for DIY enthusiasts. Upgrade your repair game with the 201 precision screwdriver bit set with electric screwdriver and magnetizer. It's not just a toolkit, it's your key to hassle-free repairs. Get yours today. The Polaroid I2 analog instant camera brings back the joy of instant photography. Its built-in manual controls empower photographers to capture their vision with precision and creativity. Experience the magic of instant prints with the Polaroid I2. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or an amateur enthusiast, its intuitive design makes every shot a masterpiece. Say goodbye to digital filters and hello to analog authenticity with the Polaroid I2. Its manual controls allow you to adjust exposure, focus, and shutter speed, giving you full creative control. Capture moments that last a lifetime with the Polaroid I2 analog instant camera. It's not just a camera, it's a gateway to timeless memories. Start your instant photography journey with Polaroid today. The Ninja Thirsty Drink System is a game-changer in beverage customization. With its innovative design, you can tailor your drinks to suit your taste preferences perfectly. Experience the joy of crafting your own beverages with the Ninja Thirsty Drink System. Whether you crave a refreshing soda or a fruity mocktail, the choice is yours. Say goodbye to store-bought drinks and hello to personalized refreshment with the Ninja Thirsty Drink System. Its intuitive controls and variety of flavor options make it a must-have for any home. Elevate your hydration game with the Ninja Thirsti drink system. It's not just a drink maker, it's your ticket to customized refreshment. Cheers to endless possibilities with Ninja Thirsti. The Ankor Make M5C AI 3D printer is a game-changer in 3D printing. With its user-friendly interface and advanced AI technology, it delivers detailed prints with ease. Experience the power of precision with the Ankor Make M5C AI 3D printer. Whether you're a novice or an expert, its intuitive design ensures seamless printing every time. Say goodbye to complex setups and hello to effortless printing with the Ankor Make M5C AI 3D printer. Its versatility and reliability make it a must-have for any creative project. Elevate your creativity with the Ankor Make M5C AI 3D printer. It's not just a printer, it's your gateway to endless possibilities. Start printing your dreams with Ankor Make today. The modern Carry MagSafe water bottle strap is a game-changer in convenience. With its MagSafe technology, it securely holds your iPhone or AirPods while you're on the move. Experience hands-free convenience with the modern Carry MagSafe water bottle strap. Whether you're hiking, biking, or simply out for a stroll, your essentials are always within reach. Say goodbye to bulky pockets and hello to streamlined carrying with the modern Carry MagSafe water bottle strap. Its sleek and functional design makes it a must-have accessory for any outing. Elevate your on-the-go experience with the modern Carry MagSafe water bottle strap. It's not just a strap, it's your modern solution to carrying your essentials. Get yours today. The Tentsty Stingray tree tent elevates your camping adventure. Suspended among trees, it provides a cozy and secure space for up to 3 people to enjoy nature. Experience camping like never before with the Tentsty Stingray. Its innovative design allows you to sleep off the ground, offering unparalleled views and a sense of adventure. Say goodbye to traditional tents and hello to the Tentsty Stingray. Its durable materials and spacious interior make it perfect for camping trips, festivals, or simply relaxing in the great outdoors. Elevate your camping experience with the Tentsty Stingray 3-person tree tent. It's not just a tent, it's your ticket to unforgettable outdoor adventures. Get yours today. Nanofer elevates your coffee experience with its handheld design and powerful frothing capabilities. It's the secret ingredient to achieving velvety foam for your favorite drinks. Watch as Nanofer transforms ordinary milk into silky smooth foam in seconds. Its compact size and easy operation make it a must-have for coffee enthusiasts and baristas alike. Say goodbye to expensive cafe trips and hello to homemade perfection with Nanofer. Its precision engineering ensures consistent results, allowing you to create latte art like a pro. Elevate your coffee game with subminimal Nanofer handheld milk frother. It's not just a frother, it's your key to barista-level creations. Experience the magic of Nanofer today.